Tinidazole is an antibiotic that is used to treat certain types of vaginal infections such as bacterial vaginosis and trichomoniasis. It is also used to treat certain types of parasite infections like giardiasis and amebiasis. This medication works by stopping the growth of certain bacteria and parasites. It's important to note that this antibiotic treats only certain bacterial and parasitic infections and will not work for viral infections like the common cold or flu. It's important to take tinidazole exactly as prescribed by your doctor and to finish the full course of treatment, even if you start to feel better. Typically, it is taken once a day with food, and it's best to take it at the same time each day. When taking tinidazole, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. Typically, you'll take this medication once daily with food to prevent stomach upset. The dosage will be determined based on your medical condition and response to treatment. For children, the dosage will also depend on their weight. For the best results, it's important to take this antibiotic at the same time every day. This will help you remember to take it consistently. Make sure to continue taking tinidazole until you've finished the full prescribed amount, even if your symptoms improve before then. Stopping the medication too early could result in the return of the infection. If your condition persists or worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. When taking tinidazole, you may experience a bitter or metallic taste in your mouth, nausea, stomach upset, diarrhea, or dizziness. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it is important to notify your doctor or pharmacist right away. This medication may cause your urine to become darker in color, but this is a harmless effect and will go away when you stop taking the medication. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits to you outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of a new infection, easy bruising or bleeding. Seek medical help right away if you experience unsteadiness, seizures, or numbness/tingling of the arms or legs. Using this medication for extended periods may lead to oral thrush or a new yeast infection. If you notice white patches in your mouth, a change in vaginal discharge, or any other new symptoms, contact your doctor. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Before taking tinidazole, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to this medication or other antibiotics. This is because it may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have liver disease, kidney dialysis, certain blood disorders, or a rare genetic disorder called Cockayne syndrome. While taking tinidazole, it's best to avoid alcoholic beverages and products containing propylene glycol for at least 3 days after finishing the medicine, as they can cause stomach upset, cramps, nausea, vomiting, headache, and flushing. This medication may cause dizziness, so it's important to avoid alcohol or marijuana while using tinidazole. It's also important to talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. Tinidazole may also affect the effectiveness of live bacterial vaccines, so it's important to inform your healthcare professional if you are using tinidazole before having any immunizations/vaccinations. For pregnant women, it's important to use this medication only when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, it's not recommended to use this drug for at least 3 days after the last dose. It's best to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking tinidazole. These interactions can change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with tinidazole include alcohol-containing products, products containing propylene glycol, lopinavir/ritonavir solution, and lithium. It's also important not to take tinidazole if you are also taking disulfiram or if you have taken disulfiram within the last 2 weeks. Additionally, tinidazole may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's important to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are using this medication. As for the daily dosage, tinidazole is usually taken with food as a single dose or once a day for 3 to 5 days. The best time to take this medication is with a meal or snack to prevent stomach upset. Make sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully and complete the full course of treatment. If you or someone you know has taken too much tinidazole and is experiencing severe symptoms like losing consciousness or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share tinidazole with others. If you are being treated for trichomoniasis, all sexual partners may also need to be treated to avoid reinfection. During treatment, avoid sexual intercourse, or always use a latex or polyurethane condom. This medication has been prescribed for your current condition only. Do not use it later for another infection unless your doctor tells you to. If you are taking this medication for a longer time, lab tests, such as blood cell counts, may be done while you are taking this medication. Keep all medical and lab appointments. Remember to consult your doctor for more details about your specific needs. If you forget to take a dose of tinidazole, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next one at the usual time. Don't take 2 doses at once to make up for the missed one. It's important to store tinidazole at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom, and be sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of tinidazole, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. Remember to always handle medications with care and responsibility. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.